Hi everyone, this is Chelsea, and today I wanted to show you guys our new Y2K collection, and also I got some happy mail from the Angel Shoppe and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this new collection because it's so cute. It's probably my favorite that we've done so far, and it's also special because it's a collab with the Angel Shoppe. So we have a matching pen to go with the collection, and this pen may not even be available anymore because she sells out pretty quickly and it's been up in the shop for a few days now, but I still wanted to show it to you guys because it is so stunning. It has this hot pink ombre barrel and then our logo, pink hardware, and then inside there's floating hollow flowers and stars, smiley faces. There's these little white hearts that say love. It's just so cute and totally gives me Y2K vibes. So that's why we designed this matching sticker kit, and I think it's absolutely perfect. And actually our July sticker subscription matches perfectly with this as well. So this is the standard vertical kit and it's a 3-page kit. So this is the full box sheet, and let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the artwork. We've got the pen featured in a couple of these boxes. You can see the Britney CD and then the little iPod. It's just so cute. And I love all these patterns. Here's the date cover sheet, and this weekend sticker is adorable. And here's the washi and half boxes. So one thing I wanted to mention, we used to only offer our standard vertical kits as one whole thing, but we've gone in and we've edited our listings. So moving forward, our kits are now available a la carte. So you guys can pick up whichever sheets you want. You can get multiples, whatever. But I have found that the standard vertical 3-page kit does really well in my TAS planner. So I wanted to show that to you guys. So here's the kit all laid out, and I actually have it on 4 pages. So this planner looks like this. You could turn it this way if you want because these columns are standard vertical size, but I just turned mine this way and made my own, and I think it's really cute to flip through like this. So I'm obsessed with this. And we also have the kit available in Hobonichi Cousin. So here's that. And here's what that looks like all laid out. Let me zoom out so you guys can see that a little bit better. It's just so bright and fun. And we also have it for Hobonichi Weeks. It's so cute. I love the jumbo sticker, which we do have available in our other sizes as well. So here's the A6, B6, and A5 or Hobonichi Cousin. And we also have stickers for the Hobonichi daily pages. So these are for the A6, and we have date covers sized for either the English Hobonichi or the Japanese. And then here's the washi strips. Here's what that looks like laid out in an A6. I love this faux holographic pattern. I think that's really cool. And of course we have the same thing for Hobonichi Cousin dailies. So here's the date cover sheet and washi, and that's what that looks like. And we also have some deco. So these are stickers cut to look like torn paper, and it has that really cool holographic pattern. And we also have some standard vertical washi strips, so you could cut these down to whatever size you need. And then we've got sticker die cuts featuring Luna. So we've got the Y2K heart, girl power. These are so cute with the butterfly clips. And then this one where she's holding the TAS girl power pen. It's so cute. And we've also got some deco stickers. So we have a smaller sheet with all the cute elements. I love it. And then we have Bujo Deco, which is basically just like bigger decorative stickers, but some of these we've intentionally left kind of blank so that you can write in them. So hopefully there's some functional items in here for you, but this is almost too cute to use, honestly. And one last item for this collection, we have a matching 5x7 reusable sticker book. This is so cute. So as you can see, it's laminated, so it's nice and protected. And inside we have pages of sticker backing paper, which you can use to store your leftover stickers. And these are located in our specialty section. I just love this collection. This pen is probably my favorite TAS pen, but I don't know, I feel like I say that every time. I'm just really vibing with the pink, which is a great segue to the next part of this video. Okay, so let's look at the items that I got from the Angel Shop. So I already showed you guys the Girl Power pen, love it. And I'm not really sure if she has any of these still in stock. I know all of this stuff was going very quickly, but you never know. Sometimes people trade them or sell them online, so I just really wanted to show you guys. This is the Hi Barbie pen, and it's got the hot pink hardware and the ombre barrel with the little Barbie logo, and inside it has floating hearts, little heart gems. I don't know if you can see them. It's really cute. And pink metallic heels. Oh, and there's gold Barbie heads in there too. They're just kind of at the bottom. It's hard for you to see them. I love this. And she sent it in one of her new limited edition pen sleeves, which is hot pink, and it has the hollow Barbie detail with these little sparkles and hearts. Here's the back. It has the Angel Shop Barbie style logo, which is so cute. I love this. And then this one is the Hi Ken pen. I love it. It's so pretty. Just look at those colors. So it matches Ken's outfit from the Barbie movie, and it's got little pink and yellow hearts and gold hardware. And then this one is the Kenergy. So it still has that same Ken stripe barrel, but the hardware is pink, and it has these really fun, colorful, teeny tiny confetti balls. I love this one. This one might be one of my favorites as well. And then this last one is Legally Blonde, but it does go with Barbie really well. It has gold hardware and it's super sparkly. Look at that. It's got the pink heels, hollow hearts, and pink gems, glitter. It's just stunning. And it's got the heel for the logo with the pink ombre barrel. So pretty. And Angel sent me some of their new stickers. These are so cute. So we've got the Angel Shoppe logo, and all of these have a sparkly hollow lamination. This one's adorable. And then here's her little character. She's the cutest little angel, and look how sparkly that is. I love it. And then here she is in the Angel Land car. So cute. So let's look through the sticker sheets. I love the quality of these and all the pinks. This is so cute with all the little pens. Reminders for private shopping in her group. And then she also sent me this acrylic clip. Like, how cute. So you can use this like a paper clip and clip a bunch of pages together. How cute. And she sent these really cute bracelets. This one says Bestie. And then this one has the TAS branding. It's so cute. And they have these little tassels on them. I think she has some other colors available, so definitely check those out. And then the last item in my happy mail is the cutest little planner. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So this is the passport planner. So I would describe it as a baby A6. So here's a Hobonichi A6 just to compare the size for you guys. You can see that is a little bit smaller. And this cover is so cute. It has this little heart for the closure. And look at the sparkles. Love it. I put this in here. I was thinking of putting this on the front somewhere, but I'm not sure. But yeah, the cover has these cute pockets. And actually this is separate. But I'm glad she sent that with this because I really want to keep this pink cover protected. And look at the inside. It has the Angel Shoppe logo. The edge is rose gold. And then inside we have just a bunch of graph paper. So I can literally use this however I want. I think it would make the cutest little portable planner just for jotting down to-dos and plans as I need to, and maybe even writing down like shop ideas when they come to me. Oh, it even has a pen loop back here. And then another pocket. So yeah, I'm excited to use this and set it up. Maybe I'll do that in another video. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll be back soon. I hope you guys loved the new Y2K collection and all of the goodies from the Angel Shoppe. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!